Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 1966 GTO Convertible, man. She is red and she is beautiful. Love these GTO hood scoops. Just looks so badass. And then take a look at this emblem. This emblem looks like it's original 66 emblem, and it's in beautiful shape. That tells us that the car started out in beautiful shape when they did the restoration. You can see the chrome around the headlight bezels here looking sweet. That's something you got to look at on every GTO. The chrome on the front bumper's looking good. The grille is in beautiful shape also. And look down that body line there. Look how nice and straight that hood gap is. Looking good. As you look down the side, straight as an arrow, you can see the reflections of the showroom in that red paint, looking good. We've got Cragars with BFGs on them. Just a beautiful car. I always look at the vent windows also. Look at the chrome condition on the vent windows. You can see that the stainless here where the convertible top comes down is all in beautiful shape. And then this pearl interior. So this is not really white, it's kind of a shimmering pearl color. That is stock. Looking beautiful. Front seats, back seats, all of it looks brand new. That center console, the chrome on it's looking good. All the paint work in there is looking good. The dash pad itself, the wood grain that's on the dash. That steering wheel also looks original to the car, and it's in beautiful shape from being from 1966. I'm going to pop the door open here and take a look at the door jamb here. You can see that it looks good. As you look at the back end also, you can see that all the chrome back here is looking sweet. All the trim's looking good. Pop open the trunk. Look inside the trunk there. Look how nice and clean everything is. You can also see all the paint work here looking good. The paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid also looking good. You always want to check the lips on the deck lid also, especially on these GTOs. Again, the rain came down here and set. So that's one of the telltale signs of what kind of shape these are in. As you look down the passenger side, she's straight as can be. You see all those reflections on the passenger side also. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any kind of consignment whatsoever. That means we own the car. And the first thing we do to every vehicle here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can inspect them, take pictures of them, do our video, and then Tom can answer every one of your questions when you call him at 248-974-9513. Call him anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. Alright, here we go for riding a 66 GTO. Top goes down and the shifter shifts, maybe. It's got a 4-speed. Beautiful car here, and we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Now don't forget, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. You can give him a call anytime you'd like And if he doesn't pick up, he will call you back. Leave him a message. Even if you don't leave him a message, you'll get a call back. He'll get you on caller ID. He'll tell you all about this baby. And if you want to see the rest of our inventory, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that little bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get another cool car in. And if you want a little help with financing, we got bankers that take care of that. You can do that on the phone with the banker. You can go online and do it also on our website. Now look down here on the dash. We got the wood dash. All the gauges are looking sweet. Look at that. It's got the electric top. You put the top up and down right here. Now it does have the stock radio. When I'm driving a muscle car, I really don't care about radios. But if you're a guy that's got to have a radio, I'd suggest getting one of those aftermarket radios that look old school that you can hook up your phone to. And we can take care of that for you. Just talk to Tom, he'll get you a number. And I know there's about 1,000 radios out there. You have to pick you one out. Now we're about to do something that nobody else does to every vehicle. At Vanguard, every vehicle goes up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. That's the most important part of the car. That's your foundation. That's where the frame is. A lot of guys just restore the upper portion of the car. You gotta get the full deal, baby. Now we're gonna do that right now up here at our main shop at 15100 Keel Street. Hey, if you wanna send an inspector, send him on out. We'll treat him just like we'd treat you. Here's our shop right here, and we're gonna put it in the air for you right now. All right, this GTO is beautiful underneath, and this is the reason you gotta look underneath all these cars. This is where the work goes in. Brand new tank, brand new exhaust, brand new body bushings. Look at the metal here. These drop downs are a thing you gotta look at on every car. It's got brand new shocks on it. It looks like those drums on the brakes are also fairly new. The gear ratio here is 355 and it is posi. You see the new brake lines also. I see a new fuel line also. A lot of new parts under here, guys. It's got the extra braces on it, the heavy duty braces. Everything under here is nicely painted. Flowmaster mufflers here. Look at these floorboards. Look how nice and clean they are. Frame's been all nicely painted up. Looks like we've got a brand new fuel line and a brand new brake line going front to back. Looks like the parking cable is new. She's got 4-speed trans. It's a Muncie. It's got a stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage. Everything under here. It does have drum brakes up front also. Looks like the sway bar bushings are new. Definitely looks like the ball joints have been replaced. Those ball joints, the way I can tell is the rubber looks fairly new and they're bolted in. From the factory, they came riveted in. This looks like a new idler arm. We got new bushings in the sway bar. I always look at the front frame horns too to make sure they're nice and straight. They look good. Chrome right down to the bottom edge of the front bumpers looking good. Wheel lip moldings look like they've been replaced. And even the wheel wells are nice and clean. See how nice and clean those are? We got BFGs here on some brand new Cragars 215 65 15s. The rocker molding here looks good. And then look at the rocker itself. Look at the pinch weld. Out back here, let's see, we've got two 35 60 15s. Again, brand new Cragar. They got new wheel lip moldings too. The rocker molding back here looks good. I mean, the car is beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we cannot identify the casting numbers on here. It does have 389 heads on it. It is date code correct. It's a 66 block. You can see that it's got the tri-power setup on it. Everything's looking sweet under here. The firewall's all nicely painted. Stock appearing distributor in there. Radiator has definitely been restored at one time. You can see that there's new shock bushings there. It's probably new shocks also. It is manual steering and it is manual brakes. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. We have an AC Delco battery here. You can see the front valance here has been all painted up, looking sweet. Looks like the fan shroud's new. Radiator hoses have the GM markings on them. We do have new fiberglass, and looks like the paint's been done on the bottom side of the hood. I mean, everything about this car is sharp, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.